no idea what caused that. Absolutely no idea. Seems to be current of some description. You can see the waves coming.
They're hard to watch. First waves.
Mates camp. Our first camp, I think, on the New South Wales side of the
And in the sun.
river, and certainly our first camp on a river. Sorry, in the sun. And sun's just going down. And if you notice the beautiful aluminium ramp that we've got going up at quite an angle down to the boat, secured by the Oz Pig spit pole. There's the ferry coming across. It's on cables that go under the river, so that's why we were taking care. At that ferry we can only do it when it's one side or the other, whereas some you have to wring the head and get them to adjust the cables. It's quite fast. But we're well past him now, but gee, he's moving. Quite a gnarly section of the river where there are lots of snags. This isn't particularly difficult, but because of the current, we do have to power through them, particularly if there is through like there are here. Here we'll have to power through and then try and, because of the current, get the dinghy through as well. Well done, Adam. Now there's one right in the centre up here. I might put this down while we work out where we're going with that one. Just stopped to refuel. Adam's off Melbourne with Ken. Got the dogs tethered here. And I'm opposite some sort of pumping station. That's just to show you the current there. And over there you can see the water pumping out. Don't know what that's doing. Over that side's Farmer Lake, and over that side's some other giant bloody lake, Wales Lake or something. And the river's in the middle of between the two lakes. You can see both lakes.